In this video, I will share the recipe of my granny's special lotion. P.S. Love you, Granny! You would need just 3 ingredients. You can make your product organic by using all 3 organic products if you want. You would need a lemon or organic lemon, rose water or organic rose water, and glycerine or organic glycerine just by any good company. So glycerine, rose water, and lemon juice is all that you need. For the lemon juice, make sure to use gloves and wash and dry your lemon, gloves, worn hands, and knife with a clean paper towel. Strain the lemon juice to get rid of the pulp bits. Quantities should be like equal amount of rose water and lemon juice, half the quantity of glycerine as compared to other 2 ingredients. Pour them all in a glass bottle and shake all 3 together. Lotion is ready. Put a few drops on a cotton pad and apply it on your face to have that shiny skin free from dryness. At the end, I would like to say to my granny, thank you! And sorry for my bad drawing, as I was trying to draw a heart shape to show my love to you, but it looks like a red hair wig.